Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak with Us. Today, we're going to learn how to order food at a restaurant in English. If you're a beginner, don't worry. We'll speak slowly and clearly. Let's get started.
Imagine you're visiting a restaurant for the first time. You want to order your favorite meal, but you need to speak English. Let's practice together.
Good evening. A table for two, please?
Good evening. Certainly. Right this way, please.
Thank you. This table looks great.
You're welcome. Here are your menus. Please take your time.
Thank you. Everything looks so delicious. I'm not sure what to choose.
If you'd like, I'd be happy to recommend some of our most popular dishes.
That would be wonderful. What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken with rice is one of our most selling meals. Many customers also love the creamy pasta.
Both sound really good. Which one do you like more?
I personally recommend the grilled chicken. It's fresh, flavorful, and one of my favorites.
That sounds perfect. I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of fresh orange juice.
Of course. Would you like some ice with your drink?
Yes, please. Just a little ice.
Certainly. I'll bring your order in just a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Enjoy your meal.
A few minutes later, here you go. 1 grilled chicken with rice and 1 fresh orange juice. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, it looks even better than I imagined. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Please let me know if you need anything else.
This is delicious. You were right.
I told you. It's our most popular dish for a reason.
Now I understand why everyone orders it. Don't worry, you're not the first person to say that. Can I have a little ketchup, please?
Of course. Anything else?
Could I also have a glass of water?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
You know, good service makes food taste even better.
That's one of the nicest compliments I've heard today. Thank you.
It's true. Friendly people make every place more enjoyable.
We always try our best to make our guests feel comfortable.
I can definitely feel that. Everyone here is so welcoming.
That means a lot to us.
Oh, I almost forgot. Do you have any desserts?
Yes, we do. Chocolate cake, cheesecake, ice cream, and fresh fruit salad.
Now you're making this decision even harder.
That's our secret.
I knew it.
If I may suggest one, our chocolate cake is amazing.
All right, you've convinced me. I'll have 1 slice of chocolate cake.
Excellent choice. I'll bring it in just a moment.
That chocolate cake was absolutely delicious. I'm so glad I ordered it.
I had a feeling you'd say that. It's one of our customers' favorites.
I think you should get a commission for recommending it.
I wish. If that were true, I'd recommend dessert to everyone.
That's a smart business idea.
Maybe one day. But honestly, I just enjoy helping people choose something they'll love.
By the way, what's your favorite food?
That's a difficult question. There are so many good choices. But if I had to pick one, I'd choose grilled salmon with vegetables.
That's a healthy choice.
I try to eat healthy. Most of the time.
Most of the time. That doesn't sound very convincing.
You're right. Sometimes pizza wins the battle.
I think pizza wins for a lot of people.
I couldn't agree more.
When you visit a restaurant, do you usually try something new, or do you order your favorite meal?
I usually try something new. It's fun to experience different flavors. How about you?
I like to order something familiar. If I already know it's delicious, why take the risk?
That's actually a good point.
And here's a useful English tip for everyone watching. If you don't know what to order, you can simply ask, "What do you recommend?"
Exactly. And if you like the suggestion, you can say, "I'll have that, please."
Simple, polite, and very natural.
The more you use these everyday expressions, the more confident you'll become.
Remember, learning English isn't about using difficult words. It's about communicating clearly.
That's the secret. Simple English, used with confidence.
That was a wonderful meal. Everything tasted amazing.
I'm really glad you enjoyed it. That's always great to hear.
Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away.
By the way, do you usually pay by cash or by card?
These days, I mostly pay by card. It's quick and convenient. How about you?
I usually use my phone to pay. Technology really makes life easier.
That's true. Sometimes I forget I even have cash in my wallet.
You're not the only one.
Here's your bill. Please take your time.
Everything looks correct. I'd like to pay by card, please.
Of course. Here you are. You can tap your card whenever you're ready.
Done. That was easy. Thank you for your excellent service.
Thank you very much. We hope to see you again soon.
I'm sure I'll be back. Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.
Before we finish, let's remember a few useful English expressions from today's conversation.
A table for two, please.
What do you recommend?
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Could I have some water, please?
Could I have the bill, please?
These simple expressions are used every day in real restaurants. Practice them often, and they'll become natural.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions out loud. What's your favorite food?
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
How would you ask for the bill in English?
Excellent. Every answer you speak makes your English a little stronger.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Every fluent speaker started as a beginner.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like this video and share it with someone who is learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak With Us for more real-life English conversations every week.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Goodbye.